significant movement of WLFI tokens has recently occurred, with a large holder withdrawing 60.87 million tokens from Binance to a private wallet. The withdrawal is valued at approximately $3.55 million, based on the token's current valuation. This activity was detected by on-chain analytics provider EmberCN, which monitors large wallet movements across crypto networks. The move has sparked speculation about accumulation intent, as large withdrawals from centralized exchanges often signal a shift in token ownership from active trading to long-term holding. The token in question is WLFI, the native asset of the World Liberty financial ecosystem. The whale's wallet remains unattributed to any known institutional actor, leaving the identity and purpose of the transfer unclear. In crypto markets, when large holders move tokens off exchanges, it can reduce the available supply for trading, potentially increasing price pressure if demand remains unchanged. The average acquisition price of the tokens being moved is estimated at 0.058 per WLFI, which is slightly below the token's current market valuation. This discrepancy could indicate that the whale has been accumulating over time at lower levels and is now consolidating holdings. The transaction does not. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Include any immediate sell activity, which is a key distinction from typical market manipulation patterns. Instead, the transfer appears to be a strategic move to store tokens in a more secure or private environment. While such movements can be interpreted as bullish signals, they do not always lead to price increases. Some whales move tokens for staking, governance, or simply to protect assets from exchange risks. The receiving wallet has not yet shown any further activity, which means the exact purpose of the withdrawal remains speculative. The WLFI token has historically shown sensitivity to whale movements and exchange listings. A withdrawal of this scale, representing a significant portion of daily trading volume, could influence market sentiment. However, it is important to note that the token's price has not yet responded strongly to this event. Retail investors should monitor the receiving wallet for any further activity, such as staking or governance interactions, which could provide more clarity on the whale's intent. The broader market should also watch for any follow-up movements from other large holders, as coordinated accumulation patterns can have a more measurable impact on price. Until more on-chain signals emerge, the market remains in a state of observation, waiting for confirmation of whether this is a one-off event or the start of a larger accumulation trend. The stakes of this movement lie in the potential for reduced exchange liquidity and the possibility of increased demand without a corresponding increase in supply. If the whale's intent is indeed accumulation, the market may see a gradual tightening of available WLFI tokens for trade, which could lead to upward price pressure over time. However, without further activity from the receiving wallet, it is still unclear. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Whether this is a long-term holding strategy or a temporary move for security or governance purposes, investors are advised to remain cautious and to track on-chain developments closely for any signs of follow-up actions or broader market shifts. The next key signal will likely come from the receiving wallet. If it engages in staking, governance, or any other form of on-chain activity, that could offer insight into the whale's broader strategy and potentially influence market sentiment. Until then, the market remains in a holding pattern, watching and waiting for more clarity on the whale's next move.